how the world's biggest YouTuber built his private jet. In this video I'm showing. Let's start.
R value is optimal here at the joint. Good.
Generate the level 3 report and sign off.
Check the alignment on section 4. It seems slightly off spec.
The data pad says it's within tolerance, but let's double check the riveting sequence here.
The heat-affected zone on joint 4 is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Data matches the schematic.
Torque wrench confirms 50 Newton meters.
Harness connected. Ready for power check.
The seam alignment on this panel is off by 2 millimeters.
Noted. Rework required before sign-off.
All connections torqued to spec on this section.
Okay, I show green on the manifest. We are clear here.
The new alloy for the landing gear saves us 120 pounds right there. Yep.
The modeling confirms the structural integrity remains sound.
We have full GPS lock at 100%.
Calibration successful. Systems are nominal.
Initiating emergency sequence test now.
Cabin pressure emergency. Oxygen masks have deployed.
We're reaching full load. Watch the primary conduit.
Spike detected. It's stabilizing now. Looks good, well within parameters.
The flight parameters are locked in. We have a green light from the tower. Prepare for engine start sequence in 5 minutes.
Pushing past the 3rd stage turbine now. Check the thermal reading on the HID.
Got it. Looks stable at 45 degrees Celsius. The clearance looks good.
The alignment on the logo stitching is precise.
Yes, the diagnostics confirm the installation is perfect.
This model here meets all your specifications, including the updated avionics suite.
And the pricing structure is exactly as we discussed.
Check the alignment on stage 3. The clearance looks slightly off.
I see it. Let's run the diagnostic again.
I think the beige and bronze option captures the minimalist luxury we discussed.
Yeah, it's perfect. Let's move forward with this one.
As you can see, the engine performance remained well within the optimized parameters during the entire flight envelope.
Excellent. The fuel efficiency metrics look outstanding as well.
Interior cleaning complete. All points checked on the tablet. Ready for handover.
Let's look at the comparison. The cost and wait time for a new jet are high, while these creators utilize flexible solutions for immediate travel.
The readings from the last diagnostics show a slight irregularity here.
Let's use the ultrasonic tester first.
For a first flight, perfect conditions aren't just preferred, they are essential. We monitor every variable.
Look at the stabilization here. We can tighten this sequence in post.
Right, that solves the jitter we saw earlier. Perfect, let's move on to the next clip.
The vibration levels are well within tolerance.
Excellent. Let's finalize the report.
Altitude looks stable at 15,000. Confirming engine parameters are nominal for the climb profile.
Engine 2 parameters unstable.
Roger that. Reducing thrust to idle, we have a stabilized aircraft.
Look at the stabilization here. We can tighten this sequence in post.
Right, that solves the jitter we saw earlier. Perfect, let's move on to the next clip.
The vibration levels are well within tolerance.
Excellent. Let's finalize the report.
Initiating gentle turn to the left, bank angle holding steady at 20 degrees. Response is crisp.
To get more videos like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.